So today we're going to try, first we're going to try and fix this bug where if the car goes backwards, then it doesn't reset the car. Hopefully that's not too big of a problem. And then we'll try and do some of this HUD stuff and see what we can do there. All right, so let's start with the car. And if I remember correctly, we created a master blueprint. Maybe we didn't, I don't know. Let's look at the cars here. Yes, we did. Blueprint all vehicle pawns. So let's open that guy. And okay, so this destroys the actor. And then what do we have? We have this respawn checker, which is, this is where it is right here. So we're doing get, so the problem is we're saying get the forward speed. And if it's less than 5, which when you're going backwards, it's going to be a negative value, right? So what we could do is we could do, let's do this actually. We will go to our all vehicles thing. We have this event tick here, and we're going to do vehicle movement, I think. Where is that coming from? That is coming from, yeah, vehicle movement. So we're gonna grab our vehicle movement and say get forward speed. There it is. And we're gonna do a print string. And again, this is sort of the master, quote unquote, the master vehicle pawn, right? For all of our box trucks, the Ferrari, the SUV, all of them. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna print. We'll do it in like a green or something like that. We're gonna do it very quickly. Might even be 01, something like that. And so hit play, pickup truck. And you can see when I go backwards that our value is definitely 100% less than 0.5, right? It's a negative number. So what we need to do is we need to say something like, I'm not sure if this is a get backwards speed. Let's see, speed. What else can I get? Get max speed, get forward speed, get engine rotation. Yeah, so we can only get the forward speed. So what we could do is we could say, we could do this like this. We could say if it's 0.05. So, or, and so now what we're saying is we're saying if it's greater than, or sorry, if it's less than 5 or greater than -5, right? So what we'll do is, what I mean by that is I'm just saying, hey, you know, branch, and if this is true, then I want you to not print this, I want you to print true. But if it's false, then do nothing. So now if I go backwards, of course the car stopped. Oh, we're in that value? That doesn't seem right. What did I do wrong here? Does it need to be less than -5? Oh, right, it does need to be less than -5. I'm dumb. I am dumb. There we go. That should work. So now start our game. And we're still true. Why are we true? What have I done wrong? Let's do this. Oh, maybe it needs to be and. It needs to be and. Okay, I'm dumb. All right, okay, that's what it is. It needs to be and. It needs to be, I was right the first time. There we go, okay. So it needs to be less than 5 and greater than -5, right? Pickup truck. It's true now, but it's not. Now stop. Then it's true. See? True. See that? Okay, so now that's what it is. Okay, so that should fix the problem. Okay, let's go back to our vehicle blueprint. We'll grab this and get rid of all this. This is just for testing. Plug this back the way it was. Go to this guy, and instead of being an or, it's going to be an and. And then this is basically forward. And then this one is backward. Okay. We'll grab this guy. We're going to do the same thing down here for our override. Cool. Now the truck should hopefully not get stuck or not. Yeah, see, so now we can go backwards. As a matter of fact, we should be able to go backwards through the checkpoints. Yeah. Problem solved. All right, cool. So that was actually a good one. I don't know how many times I've made this project, James, and no one's found that bug, not even me. So that's a good bug that you found there. Nice job, man. Okay, so that's solved. Let's save everything. Save. Looks good. Okay, what was the other bug? It was the mouse disappears in the main menu. All right, so let's fix that. Okay, so what do we need to do? We need to go UI, main menu. Nope. Main menu HUD. Am I using this? I am. We need to, where? Okay, hold on. Close this guy. Where am I doing? Somewhere I'm saying set game pause. It pauses the game. That's all normal. Is it in the player controller maybe? Event graph. That's game instance. That nope. Somewhere we're saying, obviously this is loading the menu, but also somewhere, maybe this is it. I don't know. Set game. So what we could do here is we could say set game UI or something like. Oh yeah. No, that's input game mode. We want game UI. It's another one. Well, let's try just input. We'll find out what else we can put in there. Oh, yeah, it's here. Set mode UI only. And then the widget to focus is going to be this one. And I think that'll solve the problem, but when the game starts, yes. Oh no, mouse is still gone. See that? When I don't click the start button, the mouse goes away. So we still have an issue. Oh, we need a player controller. Okay, well, all right. Get player controller. All right, let's see. Did that fix it? No. See, the mouse still goes away. Let's do this too. We'll do set mouse cursor. Set show mouse cursor true. Let's see if that fixes it. There we go. Yeah, see, now it doesn't go away. But once we start the game, it's the game is set in input mode only, right? So it only accepts mouse controls and not controller controls, but only for the UI, not for the game itself. So we need to fix that. So I think when I click the game start, let's see, title screen changes, it collapses, it launches the next thing. That's okay, cool. Let's see. Let's go back to our UI. So, okay, it goes to the main menu is this. We have our title screen, then our vehicle selection screen, this one right here. And then when we select a vehicle, yeah, see they select a vehicle, we unpause the game. Okay, so here's where it is right here. So we unpause the game, and then we need to set game mode as game and UI, and then we also need to stop showing the cursor, right? We don't need the mouse cursor anymore. Okay, that should work. Let's hit play. So we have our mouse, it doesn't go away anymore. We hit start game, we pick a vehicle, and then, oh, okay, there it is. Okay, never mind. Mouse is working. Cool. Okay, wait, let's hit play again and make sure that's doing what I want it to do. Nope, I don't like it. I'm gonna change this one to set game mode only. And we'll see if that behaves better. Start game, SUV. Yeah, that's better. That's much better. That's how it should be. Okay, cool. All right, so that's better. That solves that problem. Get rid of this, clean this up, move that over there. We're going to do something like this. Cool. Okay, what else? Save this guy. Do a little redirection here. So it's not so much noodles. Ah. All right. Okay. So what else can we do? Let's create a HUD where we can show the speed, the gear, the lap time, and maybe the race time. So we will close all this. Close all this. Hello. Okay, cool. Let's go to UI, and we're going to create. We have a main menu. We're going to create a new folder. It's going to be Game HUD. Game HUD, and create a new widget. WVP Game HUD. So it's different, right? The widget is different than the blueprint version, right? So we have BP Game HUD that's going to show WVP Game HUD. And then this is sort of like our master HUD for the entire, when the game is being played. This is very similar to where we built the crosshair, and that was its own widget. And then we had a sprint thing that was its own widget, but they all tied into the Game HUD, right? So in our Game HUD, we're going to need another UI. This one's going to be WVP. This will be like lap time. Then what else do we need? We need WVP vehicle speed or something like that. Vehicle speed. Would be vehicle status maybe, because I could see having more than just a speed. And then maybe we'll have WVP vehicle status text block. And this is going to be like a child of our vehicle status. And it's just going to be a text block that's just going to say what the text is and what the value is, right? So like speed, and then whatever the value is, gear, and whatever the value is, and so on and so forth. And I suspect that this might be very similar. Our lap time might be very similar. So Maybe we'll change it from vehicle status text block to like game HUD text block. Okay, so what do we need to do? What did I say I wanted to have here? I want to have race time, last time, gear. Okay, so let's work on this. We're gonna do, this is the game HUD text block. We're gonna make a custom size here. We'll do, I don't know, 400, that looks right, maybe by 60, something like that. We will get rid of this canvas panel. We don't need that. But instead, we're going to put a horizontal box. And then inside the horizontal box, we'll have a text block. And then we'll have another text block. And then we'll add a spacer. And then go between the two text blocks, like so. And then we can do like, maybe something like that, right? And then we also want to fill these guys out, and that looks good. All right, so this is going to be our title block, and it is a variable. We're going to be able to change that on the fly. And this is going to be our value block, and that's also going to be a variable, and we're going to change that on the fly. I also don't like that the font doesn't go all the way down. So let's, what are we gonna do? We're gonna go to font. Let's make it a little bit bigger, maybe 30. Okay, see, not sticking out. That's not cool. Let's do this too. We're gonna change this to 999. That looks good. Okay, see. And let's change this to like 20. And I kind of want to put this one like, actually we'll do justification. So like it's very close to the edge. And then this one is very close to this edge kind of thing. And then what else we want to do? Let's also make it center vertically. There we go. That looks better. All right, so we need to create some, let's also do, what else can we do? It seems, I want to push this. Oh, there we go. That's better. That's better. Okay. All right, compile and save. All right, so now what we want to do is we want to create some variables or serve some functions. The first one will be just use set text, it's fine. And we have our title block, set text. Oops. Set text. There we go. And then we have our value block. And set text. Connection. And then this is going to, in text is going to be title text. And this one is going to be value text. Cool. Okay, so now what we'll do is we can go to, let's say, like our vehicle status. And our vehicle status is also going to be, who knows how big it'll be. Can't be too big. Maybe like 400 by 400, maybe. I don't know. That might be too big. And what we can do is we can do a vertical box. And that vertical box will have our WBP game HUD text block. There it is. So we're going to add that, and we'll add one more. And our first one, so if you go to this guy, we're going to say pre-construct. We're going to grab this. We're going to say set text. There it is. And the first one is going to be What is the first one? It's going to be speed. And then we will grab the next one. And actually, we're going to rename these two. We can just say speed block. And then this one is going to be gear block. Okay, so we have speed. Now we have the gear one. Same thing. Connect. And we'll do gear. Save. And so now, obviously, it's empty. So just 0, 0, 0 here and 0, 0, 0. Cool. So what we want to do is we're going to need to change this value on the fly while the game is running, right? So we're going to do that on event tick. And what we want to do is we want to get the car. So how can we do that? We need to do let's just think about this. Can we can get it from the player pawn maybe? Let's see, all vehicles pawn. Maybe. Oh yes, we can, because there's the vehicle movement right there. Okay, so let's go back to our HUD. Where's the HUD at? Did I close it? Oh no, I didn't. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll say get active class, and it's going to be all vehicles pawn. We're going to promote that to variable. VP all vehicles pawn. And what we're going to do is we are going to say, we're going to grab this vehicle pawn and we're going to convert this to a valid get. And we're just going to say, if it's valid, then you don't really need to do anything. But if it's not valid, then go find that actor. Once it's valid, then we can go get vehicle movement. And then from there, we can get the speed. Get forward speed. Oh, so dumb. Okay, and then from there, we can plug it into our set text, right? So here's our speed, plug that in right there. And we do, so you can see it's a float. We don't want it to be a float. We want, or I mean, we do want it to be a float, but we don't want to have any, maybe we only want to have maybe like one digit. So they're like, actually, no, probably it wouldn't be any digits. Let's do 0. I'm sorry, digits after the decimals, what I'm talking about, sorry. So, so then what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this guy and it would actually be like this and like that. And the reason we're doing it like this is because we don't know if it's a valid item yet. But once it goes through, then we will know that it's valid. Okay, so let's actually see if that works. What we need to do now is we need to add this vehicle status to our game HUD. So let's go to our UI. We're going to go to our game HUD, go right here. All right, so this is what the HUD will look like. Let's add that vehicle status. And here it is. And so we can add it wherever we want on the screen, right? We can drag and move it wherever we want. But I'm going to use the anchors here, and I'm going to size the content. And I kind of like where that is, but I want to give it a little bit more padding. So I'm going to, let's see, we need to go Y, it's going to go up. So negative like 30 maybe, and then X negative 30 as well. Yeah, so it gives like a little bit of buffer. Okay, so then we're right now it's not switching to the game HUD, right? Once you, once we hit play, this is the main menu HUD. We select a vehicle, and then we need it to switch to the game HUD. So let's think about how we're going to do that. We're going to go to our main menu HUD, and I think it's after vehicle selection. Yes, after vehicle selection. And we are going to, let's see. Think about how I want to do that. How am I doing the main menu HUD? Blah, 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 blah. We can play main menu HUD, add to viewport. Okay, so I think I can get, oh, wait. Nope, that's not going to work the way I want it to work. Let's see, main menu HUD, add to widget. Let's see, maybe I can make it a, what I want to do is I want to say, once you press this button, then destroy the main menu HUD and bring up the game menu HUD, right? Like, so you basically we're switching. So this would be like custom event. And this would be a start game HUD. And it would be create widget. And this would, the widget would be WB game HUD. And we'll promote that to a variable game HUD. I mean, I guess technically we don't necessarily need to have two like HUDs. We could technically do one. Yeah, you know what? Let's just do it that way. We're gonna get rid of this blueprint. This can go away. Yeah, that's fine. And we're gonna rename this, instead of saying BP main menu HUD, we're just gonna say BP. I mean, it kind of is the game HUD. We'll just name it BP HUD. Doesn't need to be anything crazy. And then I want to, so I'll go away. We'll promote this to a variable. This will be WBP main menu. And that'll be pushed to the viewport. And then we'll have our custom event starting in the game HUD. And this will be promote to variable. No, we want this to be promote to variable. This one's going to be WP game HUD. Cool. And then we want to remove the main menu. So this is going to be, actually, here, I'll make this bigger so you guys can really see it. Remove from parent. And then this will be add to viewport. And we'll grab this. We're going to say set game mode only. There we go. And then no cursor. All right. And then I'm going to disconnect it from begin play here. We're going to do another custom event. And this one's going to be start main menu HUD. And we're going to connect like that. And we need to also add in our remove from parent right here, but not the main menu. We're going to do the game HUD. And so the idea here is that If the game HUD is active, then we're going to remove it from the parent and make the main menu the one active. If there is no game HUD at all, it's not going to care. So as soon as the game starts, though, we definitely want to start the main menu. Start main menu HUD. Okay, so then I should be able to go and say, right here, we should be able to go, okay, so they did the things, and now we want to cast to, I think I want to cast to, oh, can I do BP HUD? And then I'm not sure I'm going to get this one. Get widget or something like that. Get widget. No. How can I get the game HUD? Maybe I could cheat. Maybe I could do like get actor of class. This would be funny if I could cheat. This would be great if I could. And then from there, we'll do start game HUD. There we go. That would be great if I could cheat like that. That would be fantabulous. We'll see. Don't know if I can. Start game, pickup truck. Hey, there it is. And man, we are 1,000, whatever 1,000 is, that's what we're doing. We're doing 1,000 right now. That's funny. Okay. Oh, okay, so let's fix that. So it was complaining that it couldn't find game HUD. Oh, okay, right here. So what we'll do is we'll say if there is a game HUD, so we'll make this a valid kit. If there's a game HUD, then remove it. Otherwise, do nothing. And then we're probably going to have the same issue right here if there's a main menu HUD. So we'll convert that to valid kit as well. So hey, if there happens to be a main menu HUD, remove it and then continue on. Otherwise, if it's not, then do nothing. Now that should work. And then this dismissed. Sports car, great. How fast can a sports car go? All right, so we have another problem here. Well, obviously, you can see 1,400. Okay, so let's see how did they do? How did they do their HUD? They have a vehicle here. Let's see, vehicle advanced blueprints. Oh, here's their HUD. So let's see how they did the conversion here. HUD ratio, we don't care about that. Gear display color, gear display string. What? Gear display string. Like really? They have like some calculate from 720p. That's just getting the size. We don't care about the size. This is setting the size. We don't care about that. But what is this? This speed display string? I've never seen that before. But then again, I've never really done a vehicle HUD like this. Okay, so let's see. Let's go back to this guy. And we can see vehicle speed. Oh, see, I don't have string. What? Where are you getting this from? As vehicle blueprint. Oh, let's go to the vehicle blueprint. Let's see what they got there. Vehicle blueprint. And we'll go to this guy. So we're looking at how Unreal has done it. And we're going to try and copy it, right? Copy it. Yeah, so that's easy, right? To get the gear. Update HUD strings. Here we are. Oh, here it is. Well, copy. And then we'll go to our stuff where we worked really hard. Nope. One of these. Vehicle status. Oh, yeah, here it is. Paste. And vehicle movement. Connection. Current gear. Oh, let's see. Let's try to get this first. Oh, they're doing it in kilometers. It's funny. We don't care about setting that. Just gonna go straight into that guy. That's fine. And is it gonna complain? No, it's not. Now let's see if start game, pickup truck. There we go. Ooh, hey, see, we don't need to figure out math. We just let Unreal do it for us. Thanks, Epic. Thanks, Tim Sweeney. Appreciate that. Okay, so that's done. Now let's see if we can figure out the current gear. So they did something to determine if the gear is in reverse. So they're doing, okay, so they're doing get current gear, and then they're setting it in reverse. So let's go to ours. Oh, we don't need the vehicle HUD to go away. Vehicle, where was I doing it? Pawn, no. HUD, no. One of these. Hello, where was that? Oh, is it this one? It's this one. Okay, sorry. All right, so they're doing something like this. They're going get the current gear, and if it's okay, if it's less than that, then it's in reverse. And if it's in reverse, so create this as a variable. If it's in reverse, then what? Create variable, and then yeah, we'll have to create a variable here, and then what we'll do is for this one, put that right there, and gear display string. Cool. Oh, and I see what they've done. This is supposed to be, oh, that's okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna grab this guy, we're gonna move it over, we're gonna connect right there. And then all of this goes right here. And then I think I might be able to cheat a little bit and do this, and that. And then that should be good. And then what we're gonna do is see if that works. Start game, sports car, gear, neutral, 1. Oh, we're in, oh, there we go, 2. Oh boy. Excellent. Cool. So we have the gear stuff working. Let's make it pretty though. Let's make this pretty. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna convert this to a function. So we'll right click. Oh my gosh, right click, convert to function. And this will be, what did they call it? They called it something cool. Update HUD strings. I like that. I like that. That's good. That's a great name. Update HUD strings. All right, so then we go here, go to this one. Nope, 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 nope. And this will be promote to variable, speed, display string. And then go that way, and then that way. And then this can go right there, like that. And then that goes like that. Okay. Now we're complaining. Oh, because that, and then this goes like this, that goes like this, that goes like that, and then speed, speed, connect, connect, and connect, and we should still get our values. Cool. I like how it shifts gears, it goes into neutral for a split second. Let's also see if we can get reverse. Yeah, we got reverse. Perfect. Awesome. Okay, so what else do we need? We need lap time and race time, right? So let's go back to, we don't need you anymore. We don't need you. This is vehicle selection screen. We don't need you anymore. Game HUD, we don't need you. Vehicle status, no, we don't need you anymore. Oh, text block, oh, no, we don't need you anymore either. Let's do save all. And now let's go to, let's see, what do we need? Lap time, this one. Let's change the size of this guy. We'll do, this is more than lap time. This is gonna be like, not just lap time, this is gonna be race time. It's gonna be time info, something like that. And what do we need? Like 400 wide, maybe 400 tall. I don't know. And then let's do a vertical box again, vertical box. And then inside the vertical box, we're going to do the WBP game HUD text block. And the first one is going to be, we'll do lap time. And then the next one is going to be race time. And actually, there might be like a lap time difference and a race time difference. No, there wouldn't be a race time difference, just lap time difference. Okay, so then what we'll do, actually, there might be like a gold time difference. No, is there a gold racing time? Can I make it that way? Damn, I don't remember. Let's go to, where do we put it in? Player controller? Yes, here we are. So we have race time. Yes, but that's for like the race, when the race is over. This is what we want to show the player while he's racing. So like in a rally game, you race through a section, and then you get the time difference from like the best race racer for that particular section. So best race time, best lap time. But then these are just, these gold times are for the race. So yeah, so we don't need gold time difference and all that. We'll show that at the end for sure. Like here was your time, and then you suck, so you need to like get better kind of thing. Okay, so lap time is going to set text, and it's going to be lap time. And then we need to, let's do get, there's a construction, no, begin play, begin, there, construct, oh my gosh, okay, construct. Why are you not showing the area? That's what I want, those two. Okay, so these two guys, connect you down like this, you go like that. And 0, 0, 0. Okay, and then we'll make another one, and it's going to be our lap time difference. And then another one, and it's going to be our race time difference. Sorry, race time. And this lap time difference, actually, I am going to make you collapse. Actually, I want you to be, I want the race time to be in front of you. And then why is this not showing up? There, oh, look at this, this is a problem. It's a problem, 600, 500. Okay, that's cool. We have fixed it. We're amazing, okay. So what I wanna do is I want that to be collapsed. So collapse, and now it basically it'll look like this. And then when a player hits the checkpoint, we will, or sorry, hits the lap, we'll show the difference between his current lap and the best lap time. We will do this. Oh, we need to get the player controller. So get active class, and it's going to be BP player controller. And promote that to variable BP player controller. And we will do this kind, again, this is super cheesy and not the best way to do things, but we don't care, we don't have time. So we're gonna do, if it's not valid, then we will find the valid one. And then once we have the valid one, we're going to, should be, wait, are we doing value text? I thought we were converting this somewhere else. Where am I doing the conversions? Blah, 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 blah. Oh, I'm not doing the conversions. Oh yeah, I am right here, setting it, but then I'm printing it out, right? So I want to, about lap time, am I updating lap time text? Oh, I am, that's amazing. Okay, so lap time text, so we're gonna do get lap time text, and we'll grab all of these guys. And so lap time text goes right there. And then we need race time text. So get race time text, and that one is going to go right here. Actually, come here, you can just go away. And then this one will be, where are we doing a race check? Lap check, sorry, here it is. Lap check, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so if it's greater than, then we show it, and so on and so forth, right? So what we could do is we could be like, we could grab these two guys. So we'll grab this. Oh, no, we need, I'm doing it the wrong way. Oh wait, what were they? It was actual lap time. So actual lap time and best lap time. And then we'll subtract them. And then we will do our time conversion. What did I do? What did I call the time conversion thing? This one. What? Float time, okay. Float time. Oh, did I put it inside here? No, it's a macro for everything. Float time, right? Why can't I get that one? Float time, blah, blah, blah. No? Can I do this way? Float time, no, can't. Interesting. Well, we'll do this. We don't care. We will, we'll make a new one. We're just say lap time difference. And it's going to be float. And it's going to be in our values. And then we're going to grab these two guys. We're going to bring this way. Grab these two guys, subtract. Float time difference, perfect. We need another variable. It's going to be actually, I'm just going to cheat. We'll do this still. Right, lap time difference. And set. Cool. Don't care about you anymore. Now I can do lap time difference. Okay. So before we add the lap time difference stuff, let's go back to our game HUD. That's this guy right here. And we will do WBP time info, WBP time info, good Lord. And now where do we want to add that? Maybe we'll add that also to the upper right-hand corner. Make it 30 and, oops, sorry, it's gonna be negative 30 and 30. Looks good, and then we hit play. Yep. Uh-oh. It is not showing up. See, so that's oh, I gotta fix that. Fix it. Let's see why you no work. Time info. Is it not finding the player controller? It should be finding the player controller. Is this not being set? Player controller. Event graph. Lap time text should be being set immediately. Start game. SUV. Interesting. See if we get a player controller. Yep, we are getting a player controller. Okay. Let's see if we get lap time text. Maybe I have done something wrong there. No lap time text. Interesting. Let's see if we can do lap time. Get actual lap time. Let's see if that works. Start game. Oh, why is it not starting? Do I need to hit the first checkpoint? No. Oh, now it's starting. Why did it stop at 5 seconds though? Oh boy, we have issues. We've got some problems. Does it only happen after one? Yeah, something's wrong for sure. Let's reconnect this guy and see. That's something wrong for sure. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Let's go back to the player controller. Start lap time. That's you. You should be starting right as soon as the game starts. Race start. Respawn current vehicle. Oh, am I not doing start lap time at all? Find references. Start lap time. Uncheck. That's that's the only time I'm calling it. I am dumb. Okay, start race, respawn a vehicle, start lap time, and start race time. All right, let's try this again. Oh, wow, the race time is way off. And they both stopped at 50 seconds for some reason. Okay, so let's see why that's happening. Bugs, there's so many bugs. What is this value right here? Should be 99999. We'll do 9999. Are you gonna, is that gonna play nice? Maybe. 9999. Maybe I need to do it 4 times. That looks better, but it's still stopping at 5. Why? Why are you stopping at 5? Okay, 9. And 9. Oh, you're stopping at 5 because of this. I am dumb. Okay, that's what's wrong. That's what's wrong. There we go. There we go. Okay, now it should work. Start game, SUV. Yeah, there we go. We've got a race time and a lap time. Oh no, I missed that one. I missed that one. Shucks, can I just reset? Reset, reset, reset. There we go. Timer didn't reset. Perfect. Lap time reset. That's what we want to do. And the race time continues. Perfect. Oh boy, stop. Oh, crumbles. I meant to do that. You see that? That was my epic turnaround. 180, 360, no scope eating. Calculated. Okay, so yeah, so this looks like it's working now. So it's cool. And then, oh, do I have to race one? No, the race should have ended. Okay, cool. Go back to this guy, and now we can plug this back like that. That one like that. That like that, like that, like that. And then what we'll do is what we want to do is we want to show this. We want to show this lap time difference, but only when a lap is complete. And I forget exactly how we're terming if a lap has been completed or not. Actual lap. Let's see. Lap check. Race check. No. Something. Now we're doing a lap time or changing the lap variable. Race time check, respond. Maybe it's in this guy. No. Let's make this pretty. There we go. Okay. Lap time check. How are we changing the lap time? Stop lap time. Blah blah blah. Oh no, that's normal. The lap time check. We do this different stuff. We blah blah blah. Set the. Then we do that. Okay, yeah, that's not incrementing the lap time. Let's go back to this guy. This is the checkpoint system, checkpoint manager. Checkpoint manager. Apply settings, start sequence, blah, 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 blah. blah, 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 activate, that's all normal. Lap check, total checkpoints. Oh, this is where he's doing it. So if it is total checkpoints, we see if the race is complete. If it's not, then we start over. And then this is it, update lap. Yeah. Okay, so player's current lap text. Oh, that's the lap that they're on. Oh, so we probably need to add that too. So let's go back here. We'll do another one of these. Go in front. This will be current lap. And then we'll do another one of these. And it's going to be current lap. Current lap. And then we probably need another one. And that one is going to be max laps. And paste. And we'll do max laps. Welcome to UI hell, right? This is what we do. Total laps. And current lap. All right, and then now what we'll do is we kind of only really need to do that once, but I guess we can just fire it all the time. So this one, and then we need current lap text. There we go. Oh no, what have I done? Okay. And then get total or get max laps. Get max laps text. Okay, yeah, cool. That is. And then kind of what I want to do is when it update laps fires, I would love to say show the thing or whatever for like a split second. So I wonder if we could do like, oh, you know what we could do is we could do this one. We'll do a variable updating. And we'll make it a bool. And we're going to do this. And then when it's done, we'll just stop it. And then our time info is just going to look and see updating lap info. And if it is, oops. If it is, we'll do a delay. Oops, no, we want to show it first. Show it. Oh, no, we want to do this. Set visibility. Visible. Show all the good stuff. And then collapsed again, but only after a delay. Delay of like, I don't know, 3 seconds or so. That should be enough time for the user to see it. And then, yeah, should be good. I think that should be okay. Start game SGV. Oh, why? Where am I getting this text? I don't want to see the text anymore. It's in the player controller somewhere. Current lap, actual lap text. Yeah, we don't need you anymore. We don't need you anymore. We don't need you anymore. And we don't need. No. We need you, but like that. Okay, I think that fixed it, maybe. Start game. There we go. Timer's just ticking off. Oh, man, I should have shown a different car. Do SUV again. We're looking good. Go back around. Oh, it's supposed to show, it was supposed to show the lap thingy and it didn't do it. And it also should be showing the current lap. It's not doing that either. So let's see. Game HUD. Why are you not showing these guys? What happened here? Go to this one and this one. Oh, they're collapsed. So those are going to be non-out. There we go. And then why are you not showing up? If it's updating lap info, there. We're gonna start. Yes. All right, there we go. Oh, current laps is not working. Of course it's not. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, unbelievable. And also the thing is not showing up. It's supposed to. Okay, so 2 bugs. Let's see, what can we do? And this never fires. It's almost like updating lap info never fires. So what is going on? Updating lap info, let's see, start race. Set, is there like a, I thought I did a set text or something like that. Let's see. Or actual lap. Let's see, that's just actual lap. We don't have max laps. Where are we setting that at? Checkpoint manager, right? Yeah, checkpoint manager is the one. Total checkpoints, max laps. There it is right there. Okay, so let's do, we'll do a get actor of class, VP checkpoint manager. Or I'll return that to VP checkpoint manager as a reference. And then from there, we can do get current get max laps. There it is. Okay, that might work actually. And this is the current lap text. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to checkpoint. Let's see, we'll go to our player controller, get current lap text, and we're going to change it, the default value to 0. Right, first lap is 0, and then now that should fix it. Total laps is going to be 2, current lap is 0. Yep. And actually, what I really want to do is we probably need to, let's go back to the checkpoint manager. We're going to say, we're going to start at 1 instead of 0. So let's go back to this guy. We're going to say current lap is 1, your first lap. And then we also need to, okay, let's find references here. Current max laps. Go blah 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 blah. Yeah, here. Oh, excuse me. Let's see. Actual lap 1. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Current lap 1, total laps 2. That makes more sense. Well, at least to a player, right? Now I'm on my last lap. Turn around. Okay, so that's working. All right, but oops, dang it, where was I? This lap time difference is not working. And what we're going to do is we're just going to, I'm not really sure why it's not working. Let's do like a, how about this? Do that. Maybe I can just do, let's see if that happens. We'll do custom events. Blah, blah, I don't care. And then, okay, perfect. And this seems like it's never true. Let's go back to this player controller thing. This, if you happen, okay, maybe I'll do like a delay here. Delay. And we'll do like a 3-second delay here. And then that will get, then I can go back to here. Or this one. There we go. I don't need a delay here. I need a, oh, okay. Connection. Player controller. Okay. Maybe that'll work. Who knows? Start game. Boom. Yep. Go. Hey, there it is. Lap time difference was 65 seconds from the best. And then it went away, right? Okay. So I got 8 o'clock. We got a lot done. We got lap time, race time, gear. We got, we fixed these bugs. We don't have a HUD update for the ending of the, we do have lap time, so we can get rid of that one. But we don't have this ending race stuff. We don't have wrong way, and we don't have press R to reset your vehicle. So we'll need to fix those on Thursday. And then, yeah, and then we'll see what we can do. So what I'm going to do now, go ahead. Yes, go ahead.
Would that just be like a transition, like respawn, kind of like we're respawning it back on the location? It would basically just be restarting the whole level from the beginning, like reset.
No,
Would
no,
that be for like the end game?
no, we would probably like have an in-game screen, right? It's like you did this and your level, lap time was this and your race time was this. Congratulations, you did not get gold or you did get gold or whatever, right? We would compare to gold, silver, and bronze times to see, yeah, did you get it?
All right,
And
cool.
then at the bottom there would be like, race again or go to the main menu. You know what I mean? And that way they can just race again with the same vehicle they have, or they can go to the main menu and then make another vehicle selection and so on and so forth. That's a great question. And hopefully we can get that done on Thursday. But before any other questions, I'm gonna launch you guys to Thursday. I'm gonna push this video to the YouTubes, and then I will also push the project files. So we'll have a 1129 project file here in like 5 or 10 minutes. It doesn't take long for me to upload that, but it does take a long time for YouTube to do their thing. Cool. So if you don't have any questions, have a good one, and I'll see you guys on Thursday. But if you do have questions, by all means, stay and hang out, and we'll get those answered. But I am going to stop the recording. Have a good one, guys.